Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from 2-Minute Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your account on Autoblogging.AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in Autoblogging.AI and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Autoblogging. Now in order to log in to your existing account, simply hover over to the Accounts tab at the top right corner and click on it. You can then sign in to your existing account or sign up and create a new one. So just click on the sign in button and now you will be able to enter your email address and your password. Type in your email address or your username followed by your password and then just scroll down and click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account with Autoblogging. In case you forgot your password, simply click on Lost Your Password underneath the sign in box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Autoblogging. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.